Turn your space into a lush green paradise with elegant indoor palms. These laid-back beauties aren't just easy on the eyes, they're low maintenance, calming, and even help purify the air. With a little TLC, your palms can thrive all year round. Here are 4 stunning varieties to get you started. The Areca Palm, also known as the bamboo palm, this one is a showstopper. Its arching, feathery fronds and clumping habit bring instant island energy to any room. Loves bright, indirect light and evenly moist soil. Bonus tip, mist regularly in dry areas for that humidity boost. Small spaces? No problem. The Parlour Palm is compact, shade tolerant and super chilled. Perfect for home or office corners. It grows slowly and only needs water when the top few centimeters of the soil feel dry. Keep it out of direct sun and skip the overwatering. Want something graceful and tough? Meet the Kentia palm. Its elegant, upright fronds add sophistication, while its hardy nature handles lower light and irregular watering. Let the soil dry slightly before watering again. Easy. The reed palm. Think slender, bamboo-like stems and bushy green goodness. Ideal for filling corners or creating leafy privacy indoors. It thrives in filtered light and likes soil lightly moist. No matter which palm you pick, a few golden rules apply. Use well-draining potting mix and pots with drainage holes. Keep away from cold drafts and harsh sun. Dust leaves gently and feed monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer in spring and summer. Ready to create your own tropical sanctuary? Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find your nearest GCA Garden Centre, your go-to spot for palm perfection and expert advice.